Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can create a Steam account. To create a Steam account, start by visiting the Steam website, add link, or by searching for Steam in your preferred search engine and selecting the official website link. Once there, click on Login button located at the top right corner of the page, even if you don't have an account yet. On the login page, scroll down until you find the New to Steam, create an account, and click on it. You will then need to enter your email address, select your country of residence, and complete the CAPTCHA verification. After agreeing to the Steam subscriber agreement and evolve privacy policy by checking the respective boxes, click Continue. Next, check your email inbox for a verification message from Steam and click the link within the email to verify your address. Once your email is verified, you'll be redirected back to Steam, where you can choose a username or account name, and you must create a strong password. Confirm your password and click Done, and congratulations, you've successfully created your Steam account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.